Hello, you beautiful people. Hope you are doing great. Earlier, we talked about EBIS Filing's premium retainership service. If you haven't watched that video yet, link is given in the description box below. Moving on to today's topic, we are going to talk about HR setup, payroll services, and administrative services of the company. Earlier, that topic were covered in the premium retainership services. These three are a very crucial part of your company which plays a biggest role in your company. So let's get started. First is HR setup. HR setup process differs whether the organization is brand new or the organization is already operational and it is just adding one department, that is HR department. So there are many modules in HR setup. What are these modules? Let's have a look. First is HR staff planning. Second, HR budget, tax obligations, payroll system, company-wide staffing planning, job description, pay structure, benefit plans of employees, employee handbook, hiring procedure, and lastly performance evaluation process. How EBIS filing will help you to do HR setup for your company? So we will provide a complete HR setup for your company, starting from framing HR policies, synchronizing it with your requirement and combining it with Indian laws, providing a tax efficient structure with the perspective of employer and employee, creating a multi-layer salary structure and employee exit, employee onboarding and employee hiring process. Second is payroll services. Payroll is a total of all compensation that company pays to their employee on a given set of time or a period. Payroll is managed by usually accounting department or a human resource department in the company. So these are the key features of payroll. That includes cloud technology, MIS reporting, leave management, statutory reports and other deliverables. So how EBIS Filing's payroll service will help you? Our specialized payroll service includes expense management, employee management and disbursement of salaries and expenses to the employees. Payroll process is also included. We will issue a pay slip to employees and TDS report. That includes disbursement or depositing the employee contribution to government, that includes pension, PF, TDS, etc. Payroll services also provide a tax efficient structure which can clearly shows take home salary to employees. So lastly, let's talk about our administrative services. Administrative services is a supporting role whose aim is to control the financial activities of company or a manager. So how can we help you here? So we here will take care of your all the administrative role like vendor management mainly. Will correspondence with your all the vendors that includes insurance agent for mediclaim of your employee, addition and deletion of employee and claim process. Will also correspond with your banker for inward outward remittance of your company. We will take care of other vendors wherever required and will provide tax guidance to your employees. So EBIS Filing has a different services for all above had. But the good news is we cover all the services under one service. This is EBIS Filing's premium retainership service, which includes all above services plus accounting, virtual CFO services, advisory services and legal compliances. So you just have to relax and let us take care of your operations. So that's all for today. If you have any queries and if you wish to acquire any of our service, you can leave message in our comment section below and our team will reach out to you soon. If you enjoyed watching this video, please like, share, subscribe to our channel and also do not miss to click on bell icon button so you will get notified every time for our new video. This is me Mansi signing off today. I'll come again with another informative video very soon. Till then, stay happy, stay healthy.